But more importantly, I want to show you some of these people commenting on like social media and forums, right? So look at this guy here from Norway, right? He says that I literally bought it at 133 and now the price back then when it was posting was about $79. That's crazy, right? That's like almost 50% wipeout. Okay. How can I possibly be this stupid? All right. What caused this person from Norway to enter is really high, right? It's really high because if you take a look at GameStop price, okay, this is what happened. Okay, it was really high because when the market opened, it opens like gapping up 50% and then it starts to go higher and then everyone was so excited on it. What happens? That person got in at 133, which is almost like the high of it, and then it just crashes back down right after that. Okay. And what's even scary over here is not just this person doing some stupid move, okay, but what even scarier is all the comments coming in supporting him, right? Like, just hold on to it, just hold on to it, just hold on. At least this person from don't know where, Rick, says that FOMO newbies will never learn. Okay, at least he probably learned about that lesson, right? All traders learn about FOMO anyway. Okay, but you take a look at all the comments here, ho, and then all the people supporting it. That's like, to me, crazy, right? Crazy. And over here you can see that I'm still holding. I can't believe it. And this is interesting. Someone comment, right? Hold, don't be dumb to give the short sellers fuel. Okay, so there are literally two gangs right now, right? The retailers who wants to short squeeze the fund managers, and then of course you have the big boys running the market. Okay, so it's really like two party fighting, and you're either in one side or another. Okay, and the even scary thing is this guy here actually took that for advice. Okay, I will, and thanks for the advice. It's like crazy, right? How people are taking another person kind of like comments and opinion for advice. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, give you another screenshot over here. You can see. Okay, this guy here says, "Don't worry, you won't be rich for one day. Wait and don't cry like a kid." Right? He bought it at even higher price at 154. Okay, that's really funny at the same time, but it's just insane how all these retailers are looking at it, right? So yeah, you get what I mean? Okay, so that's crazy. Over here you can see, right? Why would you buy it at all-time high though? He actually admitted that he says, "I don't know, man. I panic." Okay, so it's 100% FOMO. Okay, and I want you guys to learn from these mistakes from these people and don't commit it yourself. Okay, so that's like crazy. Okay, this guy here from Netherlands, Holland. Okay, I'm gonna lose all my money. Help. Okay, yeah. So okay, what it's funny to read out all these comments for you. I really want you guys to, on the serious note, okay, it's not it's not gambling, okay? It's not a game when you come into the financial market. Now you don't want to take it too seriously. You want to have fun in this entire process, but at the same time, it's money we are talking about, right? So you wouldn't want to risk your entire, I don't know, life savings, your entire capital in this kind of trade. Okay, and I can tell you, GameStop is right now one of the hottest conversation. But same thing that can happen in a lot, like Bitcoin happened before, right? Another crazy penny stock right now that a lot of people are looking at is this company here called BNGO. Okay, just be careful whenever you're looking at all this ticker symbol. Okay, and I seriously hope, since you guys are in the mastermind, none of you are committing to such mistakes. Okay, or none of you are actually falling prey to all this like hype, all this FOMO things. Okay, yeah. So again, that's something that I thought is very important because it just happened yesterday night, and I just want to talk about it.